Hi, my name is Joe, and I'm 13 years old. I live in a small but lively town with my family. I'm currently in middle school, and I enjoy learning new things. Math and science are my favorite subjects. I love exploring how things work and solving puzzles. Reading books is one of my favorite pastimes. I enjoy both fiction and nonfiction, depending on my mood. Fantasy novels are especially fascinating to me. I also like writing short stories and poems in my free time. My friends say I have a vivid imagination. Playing video games is another hobby I enjoy. My favorite games are those that challenge my strategic thinking. I'm also a big fan of outdoor activities. Cycling around the neighborhood is something I do often. I like playing soccer with my friends after school. It's a great way to stay active and have fun. I also enjoy playing basketball at the local court. Music is a big part of my life too. I'm learning to play the guitar and find it very exciting. Singing along to my favorite songs always lifts my spirits. I enjoy listening to pop and rock music. Sometimes, I even try composing my own tunes. I have a curious nature and love asking questions. Exploring new places is something I look forward to. I've been to a few cities and hope to travel more in the future. Trying different cuisines is another thing I enjoy. I have a soft spot for pizza and sushi. Cooking is a skill I'm slowly learning from my parents. I can make a pretty good omelet now. Art is something I appreciate, even though I'm not very good at drawing. I enjoy visiting art galleries and museums with my family. Photography is something I'm trying to learn. Capturing beautiful moments with my camera is satisfying. I care deeply about animals and nature. Spending time in parks or hiking trails makes me happy. I have a pet dog named Max, and he's my best buddy. We often play fetch and go on long walks together. I'm also interested in technology and gadgets. Building small robots is a fun project I've tried. I'm curious about coding and want to learn more about it. In school, I'm part of the science club. We work on fun experiments and projects together. I also enjoy participating in school competitions. Winning a science quiz last year was a proud moment for me. I value my friendships and try to be a good friend. I believe in being kind and helping others. My teachers often say I'm hardworking and curious. I enjoy setting goals and working toward them. Sometimes, I get nervous about big challenges, but I try my best. I'm learning to be more confident in myself. Reading motivational books has helped me a lot. My family is very supportive and encouraging. I love spending time with my parents and siblings. We often play board games or watch movies together. I also enjoy gardening with my mom on weekends. Taking care of plants teaches me patience and responsibility. I'm interested in environmental issues and ways to help. Recycling and saving water are small things I do to contribute. I dream of becoming a scientist or an inventor one day. I want to create something that can help people. I also have a passion for storytelling. Maybe I'll write a book someday. I believe that every day is an opportunity to learn and grow. Sometimes, I make mistakes, but I try to learn from them. I'm grateful for the people in my life who support me. I believe in staying positive and looking at the bright side of things. I'm always open to trying new things and exploring new ideas. I enjoy sharing my thoughts and listening to others. Making people smile makes me happy. I think it's important to be honest and trustworthy. I try to stay organized and manage my time well. Sometimes, I like to daydream and imagine new possibilities. I'm inspired by people who work hard to achieve their goals. I admire inventors, authors, and athletes for their dedication. I'm working on improving my skills and learning new ones. I enjoy celebrating small achievements with my family and friends. I believe that teamwork makes things more fun and productive. I'm learning to balance schoolwork and hobbies. I'm excited about the future and what it holds. I want to keep exploring my interests and discovering new passions. I believe that kindness and curiosity can make the world a better place. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me.